What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to my mom's storage unit because we have to purge some of the stuff that we're not using because she owns a business where she refurbishes furniture. We're gonna go do that, and then later on I'm going to unbox this package I got. It's a graduation gift for my friends, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's a pretty good gift. It's a car part. I haven't had any car parts on the channel for a while, so gonna do that, gonna unbox that car part, and then show you from there. All right, so we just left the storage unit. I gotta take this big shelf to Goodwill. I gotta run some errands with Samantha, and then we'll get to the unboxing.
Hey everyone, it's me again, back on Jairus' vlog because he asked me to. Anyways, we just left the...
Ask you to be on the vlog?
He does. He loves when I'm on the vlog for some reason. Don't ask me why.
Anyways.
No, okay, so we just left the bank. This morning I found out that my account information got compromised. So someone got a hold of my debit card information. They started buying a bunch of random crap with it, and they spent over $100. So I had to get it. Yeah, it's a lot. I had to go to the bank to get a new card. I already canceled my old card this morning, and I won't get my money back till next week, which sucks because I'm actually going to Disney today and tomorrow. So I had money set aside to pay for food and other things I may want at Disney, and now I only have $20 to my name. So I guess I'm just gonna have to make that stretch at Disney, which is almost impossible because literally one meal at Disney is like $10. So I guess we're just gonna have to see.
First of all, I do not suggest you buying food at Disney World or any theme park for that matter, because they're expensive. You need to eat before you get there.
What do you want me to do? Like,
smuggle you some snacks, some contraband.
You can't smuggle. There's security at the gate.
Well,
like, I can eat dinner after and breakfast before, but what about when I'm there?
You straight. You not about to be that long to be that hungry to pay $10
We're gonna be there all day
for a little behind meal.
I think I'm really upset about this card situation because I've always been so careful with making sure that no one gets my information. My mom, she actually works in the fraud department of a bank, but you know, growing up, she's always taught me, like, make sure you do this, make sure you don't do that, don't let people, you know, have easy access to your information. And I've always been really, really, really cautious about that. And then, you know, out of all people, it happens to me. Yeah. And I was looking at the transactions, and whoever took my information, they were spending it on like Nintendo stuff, Spotify, like what? And it's just like, it's so ridiculous.
It is pouring right now. Oh my gosh. I wanted to do the unboxing outside next to the car, but I guess I'll just have to hold off until it stops raining. Or probably just do it tomorrow because I really don't want to be out here when it's raining. And I don't want to do it in the house because the lighting's bad. So if it doesn't stop today, I'll probably just continue this vlog tomorrow.
Shh, don't say that. Imagine if you were all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is for pussies. More shit to break.
You going somewhere?
Fuck this shit up.
We just got to the bowling alley. We're about to go bowling. And then he about to do something crazy. Watch this. I can't.
Yo, that throttle flip is serious. You gonna have to clean your seats.
Bro, Tanner be wildin', bro. That's not even his car. Oh my gosh. That's somebody else's car, bro. This Tanner car right here. The BBS RS's.
You want to do a burnout?
ever. That gearbox is better than sex. Remember, we just put those tires. Oh, shut up. You were doing it first.
Hey, that diesel trying you, bro. That truck back there.
Khalil about to get shit in his eye again.
I hope not. It's gonna be the right side that burns out. It's trying to grab third. Don't get y'all kicked out before y'all get.
So it's the moment you've all been waiting for, guys. The unboxing finally is happening. Here's the new part. It's the camber arms by Godspeed. I already have Godspeed coilovers, so now I got the camber arms. So now I can run a wee bit of camber on my car, up to 4 degrees of camber in either direction. I'm already like at 2 in the rear, so I guess it'll add together to be like 6 maybe. But I'm not going that drastic. I might run like 3. Just so my tires can clear, nothing more like that, because tires are not cheap, especially these 225 40s. But I'm gonna downsize to 215s, so now I won't have to worry about rubbing, and I can lower my car back down a substantial amount, because I got a 2-finger gap in the rear. So now I can run a little bit of camber, so I can lower my car and slam. I'm trying to slam it, you know. I'm trying to be on the ground. But no, on a serious note. But yeah, a couple of my friends in Samantha chipped in. I have their Instagram names right here. But yeah, they all chipped in and got me these for my graduation gift, because I just graduated college a couple weeks ago. So I'm probably gonna put these on within the next few days, and then I'll have a video for that. But yeah, so I'll have matching camber arms for my coilovers, and then I'll be another step closer to being done. Probably I want to get a new set of wheels, but that probably won't happen anytime soon. But yeah, here are the camber arms. Yep. They're pretty dense too, by Godspeed. So yeah, just the next step. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on this week. I'll have another video of that in the next few days or so. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.